Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by narrowing focus to 5-10 target companies that match your offering. This saves time and concentrates effort. Once done, craft a one-page value pitch that states the problem, your solution, and clear ROI, use numbers. Make sure to map decision makers via LinkedIn, corporate bios, or internal referrals, and note titles and priorities. Then, prepare a concise outreach sequence with email subject lines and a 20-30 second cold call opener. You now transition to active engagement. Send a controlled 3-touch sequence across email, LinkedIn, and phone over 10-14 days. Once you get a response, shift to demonstrating value. Offer a short pilot or tailored case study that includes measurable KPIs and expected timelines. Make sure to tailor demos to the stakeholder's role. Procurement cares about terms, while product teams want integration details. Keep meetings tight. Promise specific next steps, and always leave a clear ask. You move toward closing by aligning internal teams, legal, procurement, and finance, early and by sharing contract templates to reduce friction. Once approved, propose a phased rollout. Pilot, scale, then enterprise deployment with success metrics for each phase. Make sure to secure an internal champion to drive adoption. If progress stalls, ask directly for the decision criteria and timing, and offer a small, no-commitment next step to reset momentum. This often uncovers hidden objections you can address.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.